How to round decimals. Steps. 1. Find the place you're rounding to. 2. Look at the next number. 3. 5 or more, or 4 or less. 4. Round up or round down. Let's try the following. Round the following decimal numbers to the nearest hundred. Number 1. Okay, so take note to the nearest hundred. So where is 100 here? So that is located here. Next step is, what is the next value? So as you can see, it is 4. 4 is round up or round down? So that is round down. So 0.68. Next, 1.245. Okay, so where is our place value here? So this that is at number 4. Next, what is the next digit or next number? That is 5. Okay, so if that is 5, round up or round down? Very good. So we're going to round up. So that will give you 1.25. Next, where is our place value here? So that is at the first 6. Okay, so what is the next digit? That is 6. So this time, are we going to round up or round down? Okay, yes, no? We're going to round up. So that will give you 2.37. Next, where is our place value? So that is at number 9. Okay, so what is the next digit? That is 2. If that is 2, round up or round down? Yes. Okay, so we're going to round down. So that is 5.29. Next. Okay, so where is our place value? Okay, yes, that is at the number 0. Okay, so what is the next digit? Okay, it's 9. Okay, so if that is 9, round up or round down? Okay, very good. Round up. So that is 6.21. Okay, so if that is clear, kindly answer number 6.